Like the amount of money that leaves my account is just... Hi guys, hi, welcome to a new vlog. I believe this is a new vlog. If you are new, if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, hi, nice to meet you. My name is CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So basically why I'm starting this vlog here is because I want to do like a what I spent in a day type of video. Today I have a couple of things lined up. I'm going grocery shopping. I'm also going to do my laundry, and I have to like complete some work. So basically I just want to see like how much I actually spend, because I don't know, like Nigeria is crazy. Like the amount of money that leaves my account is just... So yeah, this is not what I spend on a regular basis, let me be honest, but on a good day, let's just see like roughly how much we're going to spend. This morning I already ate rice and stew. I don't think I should add the price of that because I made that yesterday, but once we head out, I'll just, you know, start knowing how much I actually spend, including data, because data is costly. The weather is really gloomy. It's been raining cats and dogs for days, and I hate this weather. I actually hate this weather. It's not good for my health. It's not good for my skin. My skin is not finding it funny. If you can see really closely, you know that I have like rashes. So I don't know, I don't like it. And then secondly, it's messing with the NEPA lights. We don't have lights like regularly, and if you're a content creator, you know what that means. If you know, you know. So yeah, I really hate that. My hand is spinning me. I'm just going to like stop talking, stop blabbing, and then head out. But first of all, let me just show you guys what I'm wearing, even though I'm not wearing anything really fantastic, but let me show you. Okay, so basically this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this trouser, this pants, and like a black top. If you can tell, everywhere is like really dark, and I don't like it. Update on this hair though. This hair, the attachment and with the extensions I got, I think I said it, I got it for 4,500 for one pack, and then you just attach it. And updates guys, it is horrible. Do not buy it. Abort mission, don't buy it. Waste of money. I absolutely regret it. Like, why did I, like, what? Just look at this. I don't know, maybe I'll do like a close-up video for you guys, but waste of money. It tangles really badly. It's so annoying. I have to like struggle. My friend had to help me to like make it look this good, and this hair is not even up to, let's just say, 1 week old. So no, don't buy it. If you don't have the money to buy that like human hair extension that is like 50-60k for one bundle, honestly, just use normal attachments. That's my humble opinion. Anyways, let's go guys. So honestly, I'm so happy because for the time being I'm going to be a passenger princess, which is cute. I've been driving myself since this year started, so it feels great to actually be in the passenger seat, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this AC is actually too much for my nose. Please, who should help me? Chisom is inside this car. Sorry Jovita is inside this car. Jovita is inside this car, but everybody's hiding their face because, I don't know, they're camera shy, so we're gonna leave it at that. But obviously people see them inside. You still see them, and I like it or not, you go see and please, I need some music. Driving this cruise song.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Amala will always slap.
I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah.
I think
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay,
Did I pass here?
I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah.
This market today, you know how I was saying like, oh, I did not spend any money, I'm not spending any money, guys. The amount of the Shege Pro Max I just saw in the market is a tale to be told, honestly speaking. First and foremost, I know that the country is getting crazy, but I didn't actually understand how crazy. As I see me like this, my head, like, it's as if my head just wants to burst. Like, Jesus take the wheel. That's all I can see. But one major thing that actually got to me, I think that was the first thing that threw me off, was I used to buy one mudu of rice, guys, for 1,100 naira, foreign rice. And today, one mudu is 1,800 naira. That's like 700 increase. What?
How much am I making?
Hey, everything is expensive. Like, my initial budget, I exceeded it. In fact, I over exceeded it. But the things I bought, they are still in the car. I'm not offloading nothing because I am exhausted. It's already 9 o'clock, guys. So I'm literally just going to like shower, have something to eat, and then go to bed. Like, it's a wrap. It's a wrap from me. I'm done. But just because I wanted to, like, you know, tell you guys how much was spent, you know, that's the entire point of this video. This one I went to Ebano. Yeah, I spent 22,860 naira. Yep, 22,860 naira for, like, if I show you the small thing I bought from there, I think I got like hungry jack, tortillas, like, oh, it's like, you know, these petty things now, like for breakfast, just small groceries. And then next day, 22,000. I'm like, again in a fear bar, like, what's going on? What did I buy? What am I buying? Oh, guys, I actually bought something that made me happy. Let me show you. Hold up. I bought this cute cup. Oh my god. They wrote Mama Bear on it. I don't know, can you see it? But it is so cute. I love it. It's for my hot chocolate. In fact, the moment I bought it, I went to Bakangizo and I bought hot chocolate. I mean, it's for like tea. I just love it, you know. I feel like someone inspired me to buy this actually, but I can't remember who. But I know that when I saw this cup, I was like, I'm getting you. You know, I didn't intend to buy it. I just bought it, and I don't know, it made me happy. So yeah. That is for the things I bought at the supermarket. Oh, I also bought something else in Bakangis. I think the price of that, I think I just got bread. I bought bread and bread and this hot chocolate. This hot chocolate was actually on sale. It's open, if you can already tell. I was trying to like see what's inside. It was on sale. I think the original price of this is 1,500 naira, but because it's on sale, they sold it for 500 naira. So I was like, oh, let me try it. Let's see. So at Bakangizo, I spent 1,660 naira. So yeah, add that to our running bill. And then in the market, guys, for just rice, beans, yam, gari, and small spices. I spent 41,000. Hold on, let me check. So at the market, I spent 41,900 naira. Mado. Mado. I've not even bought like my milk, my Milo, my sugar. I've not gotten it, guys. I actually have not gotten those ones. But in the market, just for rice, yam, what's that thing called? Gari and other things. I bought half 1/4 bag of rice though, so FYI. So that one is 41,900. And then in Bakangizo today, I say Bakangizo. In Ebano, I spent 22,860. Okay. And then in Bakangizo, I spent 1,660. Okay. And then I went to eat amala. I think at the amala spot I spent 2 amala. No, 3 amala. Okay, 1,600, yes. Because it was 3 amala wraps and then 2 beefs. See the way I'm breaking down how much I spent. But basically, you just see how much it costs to live in this city as an adult. It is wild. So I spent 1,600 for that. At the laundry place, I spent 5,500. Then I bought airtime. I bought airtime of 1,000 naira. So yeah, that's it. I did not eat food. All these things, food, okay, except amala, but no breakfast, no dinner. Today, roughly spent 75k. That's, an approximated figure.
How much am I making?
I obviously don't do groceries every day, but it's still high. On top of this small things, somebody would think I'm cooking for the children of the world. Like, gosh. Anyways, guys, I'm tired of talking. I want to go and shower, eat, and then go to bed. I want to do my lashes, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think it will fit me? I've not done it before. I've not done just like hybrid, those ones that they put on your eyes and then you wear it throughout the month. I've never, what am I stuttering? I've not done it before, so I want to try it. Do you guys think it will fit me? Tell me. I want to try it. I'm still contemplating, but I'm like optimistic. Like I really want to try. I feel like it would be cute. So yeah, that's another money to be spent somewhere. But I think I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. I don't think I want it to be super long. I just want it to be straight to the point. Like I said, this is just what I spent today. It's not a daily spend. I will not spend this amount every single day, no. But on a good day, maybe on days when you want to like buy something, do some stuffs, of course, maybe even do your maintenance, your monthly maintenance, sure, maybe even more, I don't know. But yeah, I don't want people, this is not like a flex. I want to put it out there, this is not a flex, but I just want to take you guys along to show you what like adulting is like in a way. When I was at home, I never knew or cared for how much was spent in keeping us fed in the house, in actually keeping us fed. I never knew how much. Now I now understand when they're telling you don't waste rice, don't waste this, don't waste, and I was like, those things didn't matter to me then as a child, because obviously you literally don't know how difficult, or let me not say difficult, but how things are till you experience it. So yeah, I want to show you like how adulting is like in the real world. So if you are trying to embark on that journey, you want to like be on your own, live alone, I want to be a big girl, I want to be a soft girl, I want to move to Abuja, all those things, just know that you're gonna spend okay? You spend some days you spend more than this, some days you spend far less than this. So yeah, I think that sums up everything I want to say. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. I am struggling, guys, to even do the outro because my nose now is blocked. But if you did enjoy this video, please like, share, leave me a comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Until I see you in my next video, don't forget to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell somebody to do what? You have to say it before I say it. To subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.